tried skiing. I should try skiing sometime. I never went skiing, snowboarding, or anything yet in my life. This is so scary. Good thing the bindings aren't that tight, because then my feet would be connected to them. I mean, it's connected, but I could get out of it really easily. Which is kind of dangerous, but not as dangerous when I'm not even going down. This is really dangerous. This is like so slippery. Oh my god. And by the way, we have a blizzard right now. It's actually going to get a lot worse tonight. And tomorrow we're going to have up to 1 foot of snow. So I'll get a good amount of videos in. And I'm probably going in this parking lot that I always go in. That always has these good hills with snow on top because they have to plow. Okay. If I could do that, then I would be like really good for what I'm starting as. Okay. I'm on a hill like right now. Oh my god. Let's do this. Snowboard. Snowboarding. Woo. I feel like I need a skateboard. I feel like this is like a skateboarding. This is like the scariest thing ever. And it says it's for beginners! Oh my god! Woo. I'm so hot because I'm wearing a big face mask. Okay. I can do this. I probably am gonna fall at one point again. Okay, so I also got this thing right here. It makes little thingies. Here, let me see if I can turn it off. Just put the snow in, and then it comes out like that. Alright, let's do it again. I'll show you how it's done. I can do the sick of this. All I gotta do is make the snow like this. Like so. Just stuff that snow in there like this. Like crazy. Stuff it like crazy. Cray cray. Hoping you can see this right now. So hoping you can see this also. Yeah. Alright, and let's take out the last snow. Which there isn't right now a lot. It's been snowing since like 7 in the morning, and there's only like 2 inches right now, but it's gonna start being blizzardy like, because they said on the news it's a blizzard. Apparently it's supposed to get really bad, and that's the time where I'm gonna be outside videotaping my moments. I'd say this is good. How about you? Okay. Okay. Okay, so right next to it, it's basically feel like a fort, I think. Oh yeah! The fort is amazing. The back is a little messed up, but yeah. Awesome. Get that stuff up towards us with the says P on it. There's like a little sticker. Woo! I'm a snowboarder. Have you noticed? I'm in like this one spot where I don't like move anywhere except going back and forth. I can't go! Oh yeah, I'm going, because I'm a snowboarder. Ow. Why is that so hard? I could literally go to bed right now. I'm gonna get like really like. So, pray for me, please. You guys are the people who have been on me right now. So yeah, whatevs. I really wanna go in this parking lot that I always go to. But I wanted to go with my brother. He's like playing video games right now, like a dummy, like a weirdo, you know. Like if you're playing video games right now, then you're kind of weird because you're watching my video and then you're playing video games. I don't know. But let's just go on an adventure. Let's go on an adventure. What the heck is this? Oh, sweet! Check this out, guys. Okay. I just found an icicle that's humongous, and it must have fell today, or nope. Okay. Okay, so it's a huge icicle, pretty big. Awesome. That's sweet. It must have fell today, or the other day, or whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna keep that with me. This is like a weapon right now. This is literally like a weapon. Kind of like sharp-headed and stuff. I'm gonna put my weapon right there. So here's some garbage cans. I'm not gonna touch them because